Hey guys, welcome back for another review. Today we are looking at a re-unboxing of the GoPro Hero 8 from Costco. I did a video inside with the Max for an unboxing, and I'll show you what it looks like. I was walking around Costco with the mask on and gloves, getting some groceries for the family, and noticed that you can see a lot of blue. I used the blue light thinking that it would give it some ambience, but the GoPro Max couldn't handle that. 1080p just couldn't handle. I tried to fix it in post, bringing down some of the saturation stuff, and it just didn't work out. So maybe it would have been better without the light, but I wanted to redo it outside because it was pretty bad, and it was kind of embarrassing to put that out. So the main thing while you're here is if you're a Costco member, and they recently had these on sale. I got this yesterday as April 14th of the coronavirus year. I already purchased this from Amazon. You see it's from my other reviews. I had some issues with it. I had some issues regarding it freezing up, had to take the battery out. These are typical GoPro issues, but it was doing it. It was also power down. It would take a while sometimes to power off, and I would just go ahead and pull the battery out and start over again. So a little bit of flaws here and there. Maybe it was mine on my end, but it was kind of a two-pronged thing where having some issues, I can deal with it, but then I see the GoPro now. I looked over to the corner in Costco where I had my mask on and walked around shopping, and it's priced at $289.99. I'm like, okay, that's just for the GoPro itself. And I walk over, and then no, that's for the bundle. So the bundle here on the back, it shows you what it gives you. It had just the case right here, something that was different than the bundle that I got, and roughly after taxes and everything said and done, it was like 30 bucks cheaper through Costco than the deal I got. So I went ahead and set up a return on Amazon, kind of shipped that back, and picked this up. So getting in the box was pretty tough. Very good glue along the side here. I almost had it nice and clean, and my knife broke through. Didn't have the cleanest opening, but let's just show you what's inside the box. This kind of reminds me, I looked at some reviews about the GoPro 7, and it's almost the same type of setup. You don't get your standard GoPro box that normally comes in. They kind of limit packaging and save some money that way. Comes with a little GoPro case here. The only thing that makes this nice and expensive is actually the verbiage GoPro on it. Otherwise, it's pretty much a cheap little case. It feels nice and sturdy when you have it, but inside is some packaging, which is keeping it sturdy. You open up here, you have your manual and all your stickers on top. You have your micro SD card that comes with it on top here. Inside, you have the GoPro itself. You have some tape covering the screens. This is a little pad for your case. Comes with two batteries. I got one inside right now, and then an extra battery. Your standard mount, GoPro USB-C mount for your helmet or whatever, and then your screw. And under here is your floaty mount. Good firm grip. I love this little mount, especially if you take it anywhere near the pool. If you ever get back to Golden Vacation again. Foamy right here, harder plastic right there. So good grip on it while you're filming, and if you drop it, it floats. Very important, especially when you're around water. This is, I don't know if I'm gonna keep this or not. It gives it some stability in the box, because once you take this thing out, I mean, this won't last long. I'm sure I'll kill it after a while. The case is pretty soft. It's free, and anything that's free is good. So that's your Costco setup. I'll show you a quick video of what Costco looks like. Now, in the video here that I do talk about the setup, I did use the GoPro Max audio, which was not bad. That's it. Like, subscribe, comment below. See ya. All right, guys, I'm using the audio actually from the Max, and we'll put that dubbed onto this recording. All right, so Costco's website here. So right now, yeah, showing a price of $100 off, $289.99. Very good price. The best price we've seen so far for this camera. So no coupon code needed, nothing like that. Pretty simple.